Man, I am just out of breath today. This lovely plant here is the Dusky Coral Pea. Beautiful, beautiful little peas there. Now, this is a vine, and it's just coming into flower at the moment. So there's only a couple of these little flowers here and there and speckled throughout. Now, the big characteristic features of this plant are these three-part leaves here. And they're not connected, so I wouldn't say they're tri-lobe, but they're a three-part leaf. The other distinguishing factor is that the vine itself has sort of a red and sort of a green. Red and then green. Now, I'm going to turn to my little book of knowledge here, because that's always good for getting extra knowledge out. Dusky Coral Pea, Kennedia rubicunda. So again, there's our beautiful little red flowers there. And again, you see that vine there, red and green. So let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Stems can be used as a bush string. You suck the nectar from the flowers. Oh, and the leaves can be used as a tea substitute. Well, fantastic. See, I can't memorize everything all at once, so it's good to have a reference book like this one here. I don't get any benefit from advertising this thing or, publicizing this thing. I really should, but hey. Anyway, so there's the vine sprawling up of the back of my little tool shed here. I've eaten the entire flower, but it says in the book only the nectar, so I don't know. I tend to just sort of chew on the flower to get the sweetness, and then I spit out the pulp. I don't know if it has an edible root, and I don't know if you can eat the beans, but all beans of the world, as far as I have researched, contain phytic acid. So you need to soak them at the very least. If you're going to run the experiment on whether or not these delicious little beans are in fact edible, delightful little beans I should say, you going to focus? Man, it is hard to get focused sometimes. There we go. Ooh, very pretty. Wow, you get so much more detail. You're gonna... Wow. All those little patterns. That's beautiful. Let's see if I take that up a bit more. Oh, wow. You can see those little underneath parts there too. You see, the book's all well and good, but the book's only got two-dimensional photos. For some reason, this particular vine has got some sort of yellowing going on here, so it might have some sort of nutrient deficiency, but the main factors are this red and somewhat green vine that it has, the three-part leaf. That's how to identify it when it's not in flower. So it's currently July in Australia, so that's midwinter. So that's what the plant's going to look like throughout midwinter. So it's good to identify plants when it's not fruiting as well, because if you need bush string, as the book said there, it's a good one to know about. Now, I did actually combine a bit of this into the basket that I wove, the passion fruit vine basket. So it does make a very strong fibre indeed. I hope you enjoy.